who doesn't want to save money? Even a millionaire will say, save money when you can. And that's probably why that person is a millionaire. Okay, it's stupid just to go out and pay retail, or when you go to on vacation somewhere, you expect to pay more for sunglasses or cheesy t-shirts or maybe a margarita on the beach. But reality speaks when things get more costly from rent, food, or your mortgage for your house, or maybe a yellow hat, or maybe just a bottle of water. All right, it's good to make money. There's nothing wrong with making more money than it takes to break even, because you start saving money and you can buy that house, you can buy that car, or maybe upgrade your life, your wardrobe, or I don't know, buy a new eyeball. But anyway, look into saving money with Save Club. Okay, guys, let me show you my screen. I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there right now and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys, for your time. All right, have a good one. Bye.